Why did we do this Partners in Business? A lot of people are not thinking about what the future looks like. What does it look like for me, myself, but what does it look like for us as a family? You got Brad Nelson. Brad Nelson is also a consultant's husband. He's working with our consultants all the time. How to get them out of debt, how to make sure that they are progressing, to make sure that they're putting money away. And we also have Brian Parsley. Brian's here. I'm excited because Brian's all about mindset, about how to make sure we close the deal.
We have a lot of events throughout the year, and we dedicate a lot of resources to being able to empower our consultants. But what about their significant others? If they're not empowered, if they're not supportive, there's not going to be this longevity in these other people's lives.
I think Partners in Business gives the consultants and their families a great opportunity to kind of come together and see how Pure Romance can fit in their life. They at least get a glimpse into what these consultants are coming here and learning and why they're getting so excited about their business.